All right, welcome to Math Albatross today. Today we want to look at definite integral. It's called definite because the limits of the integrations are given. Lower limit is 4, upper limit is 9. So we want to handle it together. Remain focused. Let's enjoy the class. Ensure you remain focused as we enjoy the class together. Look at it. We are here. So this is equal to integral of 4 to 9. If you like, you can remove the integral and finish first. All right. So this one, manipulate it as 1 all over root x like this, dx. Now, apply idea of indices on this. You have integral from 4 to 9. This one, manipulate it. You have 1 all over x to the power of 1 over 2. Square root of anything means 30 raised to the power 1 over 2. Don't forget your dx. If you forget it, it's carelessness. All right. So let's try and bring this thing that is here up. Let's go. So we have integral of from 4 to 9, 4. If you bring that one up, it's going to be x to the power of minus 1 over 2. Then dx. I believe you still remember. If you have something and you want to take it up, like I have 1 over, let's say 5 square. I want to carry it up. This is something as 5 raised to the power minus 2. You want to carry this thing up, you don't want the 1 to appear. This is how we address it. Eh? All right, so let's carry on as, let's carry on. All right. So let's go. So if you want to integrate this now, look at what it means. It's equal to integral of, if you, I want to perform integration now. I want to perform integration. So, all right, so we want to integrate now. So once you begin your integration, you remove the integral sign. All right, so to integrate this one, it means x to the power of minus 1 over 2 plus 1. Then you carry this and put it as, you divide by minus 1 over 2 plus 1 under. Then because this integration is definite, you may or may not put the limit, or sorry, the constant of integration before the substitution. All right, so this will give you, this is equal to, if you add this, it's going to give you x to the power of half. Now, minus 1 over 2 plus 1 is also 1 over 2. This will give you, this is the same thing as x to the power of 1 over 2 divided by 1 over 2. I hope you are following. All right. Now, we have this. Now, this is equal to x to the power of 1 over 2 times, this will not be 2 over 1, or you just say 2. That means this is equal to 2x to the power of half. So you can now get the limit and bring it back. So you can now put the limit from 4 to 9. From 4 to 9. All right, so we move. Now, if you want, you can actually take out these 2 and then you finish up with what you have here. If you do that, you can take the 2 out first. You have 2 and then you have this sign. You have x to the power of half from 4 to 9. All right, so put the upper limit and then whatever you get, you subtract, you put the lower limit and then you subtract. So we have 2 inside. So this will be 9 raised to the power of 1 over 2 minus 4 raised to the power of 1 over 2. This way. Now, we're almost done. Just follow. All right. So this one means square root of 9. Anything raised to the power 1 over 2 means square root of that. So this one is 2. And then the 1 means square root of 9 to the power of 1. But power 1 will not affect it, so we just say square root of 9. Minus, this is also square root of 4. This will give us 2 into square root of 9 is 3. Square root of 4 is what? 2. Yes. So we have 2. You have this. This will give us 2 into 3 minus 2 is 1. All right. So finally, we say that the answer to this question is 2 times 1, which is 2. Now, to show that we are very organized, we say therefore integral dx of square root of x from 4 to 9 is actually 2 when the job is done. So this is how we address a question of this kind. I have something for you. Make sure you do it. Is that okay? All right. So I have something for you quickly. So this is for you. Make sure you do it. This is for you. So ensure you do it and put the answer in the comment section. And then don't forget, ensure you like, you share and subscribe. Thank you for your audience.